Assalamu alaikum students, Allied School Fez campus. This is the winter pack 2 of class 6. Students, you have to solve the winter pack 2 because its marks will be included in your final examination and each subject carries 5 marks. Let's start our video. Subject English, page number 27. Question 1. Application for leave to attend cousin's wedding. अपने कज़न की शादी पर जाने के लिए आपको छुट्टी चाहिए तो आपने अपने स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल के नाम एक दरख्वास्त लिखनी है. द प्रिंसिपल अलाइड स्कूल फैज़ कैंपस गुजरांवाला, रिस्पेक्टेड सर, आई बैक टू से दैट द मैरिज ऑफ माई कज़न कम्स ऑफ ऑन 30th नवंबर इंस्टेंट. मेरे कज़न की शादी 30 नवंबर को है. आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एट होम. मुझे घर पर काम करना है. So I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I shall be very thankful to you for this kindness. Yours obediently, XYZ. Next one is essay. A visit to Lahore Zoo. Last Saturday we had a holiday and we decided to pay a visit to Lahore Zoo. So I visited the zoo with my parents. The weather was fine and pleasant. Pleasant means खुशगवार. We bought tickets. हमने टिकट खरीदे and entered the zoo. First of all, we went to the cages of monkeys and baboons. We threw some grains to them. Then we saw the enclosures of pigeons, parrots, sparrows, owls, kingfishers, swans, ducks and other water birds. We also saw deer, stags, rabbits, kangaroos, bears, giraffe and 2 humped camels. Humped means कोहान. We enjoyed their movement. हमने उनकी हरकतों से लुत्फ़ उठाया. Then we went to the cages of lions, tigers, wild cats, leopard and panthers. They were roaring and enjoying their meal. Roaring means दहाड़ना and enjoying their meal और अपने मील से लुत्फ़ उठा रहे थे. Lastly, सबसे आखिर में we saw the elephants. We had a ride on elephant. Ride means सवारी करना. Then we had cold drinks. फिर हमने ठंडे मशरूबात पिए. After this we left the zoo and reached home. हमने चिड़ियाघर छोड़ा और हम घर पहुंच गए. It was really a pleasant experience for me. ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत खुशगवार तजर्बा था. Next one is unit number 10, journeys. Topic is early travel writing. Students, first of all you have to read the text of this chapter which is given on your book textbook page number 242 to understand the context of the topic. Question number 1. How do you know that Ibn Battuta had not seen hippos before? आपका क्या ख्याल है कि इब्न बतूता ने हिप्पोस को पहले नहीं देखा था? Ibn Battuta had not seen hippos before in his life. He only saw them during his journey to West Africa for the first time. Question number 2. How did hippos look like? They had huge bodies. Their heads were like horses and their feet were like that of an elephant. Question number 3. How did the local people feel towards hippos? They were afraid of them and drew near to land to avoid being drawn by them. Question number 4. How did they hunt the hippos? They had an ingenious trick of hunting them. Ingenious mean होशियार तरीका. They had spears. Spear mean neza, pierced with holes. Through they put some strong cords रस्सियाँ. They struck the hippos with the spears. Then they killed it and ate its flesh. Question number 5. How did Ibn Battuta knew that the people frequently killed hippos? Because there were many bones laying on the bank of the hippos, so that had been killed and eaten. So Ibn Battuta knew that people frequently killed hippos. Next topic is a Chinese conjurer. Conjurer means a person who shows tricks. करतब दिखाने वाला शख्स. Students, you have to read the page number 243 of your textbook to understand the context of this topic. Question number 1. What happened to the ball with long cords attached to it, which the conjurer threw into the air? The ball kept rising up until it disappeared from the sight. नज़रों से गायब होना. Sight. Disappearing गायब होना. Disappeared गायब होना from the sight मंजर से. Question number 2. Why do you think was the most grisly part of conjurer's show? When he threw the young man's limb and then he came down panting with his robe blood stained खून के दाग. Question number 3. What did the conjurer do after Ami told him to do something? The Ami told him to do something and the conjurer took the youth's limbs, attached them to each other and kicked them with his foot, and the apprentice stood up instant. Apprentice means trainee, a person who gives training to other people. ट्रेनर जो होता है उसको कहते हैं अप्रेंटिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ डिड इब्न बतूता अफेक्टेड बाय द कॉन्जूरिंग ट्रिक? इब्न बतूता was so amazed at that his heart began to beat very rapidly. Question number 5, how many words for different parts of the body can you find in the text? Hand, foot, trunk, head, limbs and heart. Here are some dict words. You have to learn these dictation words and then note these words in your notebook. Number 1, Tangier. Number 2, Morocco. 3, numerous. 4, ingenious. Number 5, spears. Number 6, Niger. 7, Egypt. 8, chords. 9, gigantic. 10, awnings. 11, attractive. 10, panting. 13, palpitation. 14, rube. 15, conjuring. 16, apprentice. 17, trunk. 18, intact. 19, alarm. And last one is sales. Next one, students, on page number 30 you have to do the homework of unit 10 on the given space, and after that you have to write the dict words with the help of your father, mother or your tutor on the winter pack, page number 32. That's all. I hope that you have learned a lot and this video will be helpful to you in doing your homework.